Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Air Max 97 Silver Bullet. This is my favorite Air Max of all time. It came in this really cool retro box as well, but I've had these pretty much every time they come out. I get a new pair. I usually go through my old ones pretty quickly because I wear them all the time. But as you can see, size 11.5. They don't have any price on the size sticker, which is weird. They're directly from Nike, so I don't know why it's like that, or if they all came like that. Usually they don't even have this anymore, so I don't know what's going on. Yeah, as you can see, Nike Air Max 97 OG metallic silver university red. So let's go ahead and get this open. Looks like we got our QC sticker here and our QC stamp right here in red. Let's go ahead and peel that paper back, and this is what we're looking at. So yeah, definitely a really nice looking shoe in my opinion. I love the 97 just in general, but these silver bullets are just so nice. Whenever I think of Air Maxes, I either think of the University Red or University Blue Air Max 1 or these. I know there's more iconic Air Maxes and stuff like that, but to me, these are the ones, especially like when they release these and then they do like the gold bullets. Those are really cool too. I don't have those anymore. They didn't fit me when I got them. Initially, I got a size 11 and they were way too tight, so I ended up just returning them. But these, 11.5 is my perfect size in these. This is what I always get in these, so very happy. As you can see, it has the 3M going through all up here. Nice metallic silver coating all on the bottom, and then your University Red swoosh. There's nothing really different between these and all the other iterations that have come out. I know this says OG on it, but the shape, everything is exactly the same. Taking a look at the other shoe, it's exactly the same as the other. There's no differences on it. Let's take a look at the air bubble right there. Looks really nice. Sometimes you can see like paint marks on the air bubbles. Nike's quality isn't, or quality check isn't always as good as what it's supposed to be, but these air bubbles look pretty nice. But yeah, that's going to do it for this one. Just wanted to give you guys a quick look at the Air Max 97 OG Silver Bullets. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section, and don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time.